Hey there and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will be showing you how to fix the app not installed error in Minecraft. Today I will show you the working method to fix this error once and for all. At the end of this video I will also tell you some more methods to fix this error. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to download APK Editor from the link given in the description. Don't download it from Play Store because in previous video I have said that download it from Play Store, but many of you commented that it cost real money. But I say that this application is absolutely free, which you can download from Google Chrome, and the link to that is absolutely given in the description below. You can just visit the link and find the download link over there. Once you find the link, you can simply download it just like you install any other application, absolutely for free. Alright, so once you have downloaded APK Editor, all you need to do is to open the application and click on select an APK. Once you are here, you need to select the application which is showing the error. In this case, it is Minecraft. So I'll just go there and click on Common Edit. Once I click on Common Edit, I will change the install location from prefer external to internal only. Once you do that, you can simply click on save and don't mess with anything over here. Now this thing will take a lot of time. Sit back and stay calm. Once that is over, it will show you a message like this, and you can install the application just like you install any other application without any error. And there's the proof. If you fail to eliminate the error using the method shown in this video, then there is no need to worry. I've got you covered up. I had already uploaded a video on my channel about fixing this app not installed error. Probably you must be familiar with that video. You can go ahead and watch the video by clicking on the I button on the top right corner of the screen. I have explained in detail how to fix the error with more different and working methods. The method that I had shown in the video worked for almost everyone who had watched the video. So just go ahead and eliminate the error right now. And if you succeed in doing so, then don't forget to turn the like button from grey to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. So that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.